Hi boys and girls, welcome back to virtual school. Hope you're all doing well and doing nice things around the house to help your mom and dad. And we're going to review a letter today. And what letter do you think that is? Capital and lowercase look exactly the same. That's right, it's the letter Z. Remember? Z. 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 Little line across, big line down, little line across. And both the capital and the lowercase are exactly the same. One is just taller than the other. So you'll always start at the top and go down. Here's the letter Z. We can make a word real quick. Z. Ah. Let me see something. Zap. What does that say? Zap. Blend it together. Zap. Good job. We can do another one. Z. A. T. Zat. Okay. Nobody in our class has the letter Z in their name. I do believe some children have a Z in their last name, but we don't have any kids with a Z in their first name. Let's look at a few pictures I was able to find. We have this animal. What animal is that? That's a zebra. Here's a zebra. I love this vegetable. It is zucchini. Here is some zucchini. And what number is that? What number is that? That is a 0. 0. And the last one, where are those animals? Where are they? They are at the zoo. You're right, they are at the zoo. So we have zebra, zucchini, 0, and zoo. Okay. And boys and girls, I apologize. My pen just rolled away. Here we go. Okay. So when we make the letter Z, we go across, down, and across. Zzz. Short line across. Bigger line down, across, zzz. As if we were to write zzz, ah, puh. There's zap. Or we could write zoo. Here is zoo with 2 O's. Zoo. Okay. Thought it would be a good chance to review some of our sight words. So let's bring those out, and we'll use some students' names in our class. How about this name? Willa. Put Willa up here. Willa. And Willa. And how about this name? Diana. Good. We've got Willa and Diana. And I think, here we go, excuse me. What's that word? Do you remember this word? Good. Go. You remember that one? To the, and this picture again. Zoo. Put it right there. And I'm going to tuck my period in, also right here. There we go. Willa and Diana go to the zoo. Great job. Here's another name you probably will be able to read. David. Good job. David can. So we have that. And can. What can David? David can see a zebra. Maybe David's at the zoo. So we have Willa and Diana go to the zoo. And read this with me. David. Good job, boys and girls. David can see a zebra. Excellent. And let's see. Here's another name. How about that one? Andrew. Andrew M. Andrew M. Look at this word. Had. What does that say? Had. Put the sounds together. Had. Andrew M. had, yum, zucchini. Good job, Andrew. Andrew M. had zucchini. And then our last one. How about this name? It's a girl's name. Joanna. Good work. Joanna, but I'll put it up here. Joanna. And what's this word again? We just read it. We just read it here with the zucchini. Had. Good. Joanna had 0. She had 0. She had none. 0, none. Joanna had 0. Your turn. Zoo. Willa, now let's read it together. Willa and Diana go to the zoo. Good job. And read this one to me. David. Zebra. Good job. David can see a zebra. And our last one again. Andrew M. had zucchini. Great job. Great job, boys and girls. And just to ask you again, what is this letter? What is that letter? Good job. It's a Z. And what does Z say? Zzz. This is Hunter's paw. Right here's Hunter. You want to see Hunter? Here's Hunter. Here's my dog Hunter that you've heard about. Hi, Hunter. Okay.
Hi, everybody.
That's Madeline. Okay, boys and girls. The letter Z. Zzz. Bye-bye. Remember to work hard and all the work you're turning in. I'm really, really proud of you. So when you're making your letter Z book this week, think of these things. We've got 0, zebra, zucchini, zoo. I'm sure you can think of some others. And I look forward to seeing them, okay? Bye-bye. Be well.